Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how improve your video quality using Filmora 14 AI Video Enhancer. So before getting started, I would really appreciate if you put like on this video and subscribe to my channel. So I won't distract you anymore. So let's jump into Filmora and get started. Alright, first, let's see what is AI Video Enhancer means. AI video enhancers use artificial intelligence to improve the quality of videos. They can upscale low-resolution videos to higher resolutions, like 4K or 8K, reduce noise, and remove motion artifacts, making footage smoother and clearer. They can also adjust brightness, contrast, and saturation levels for a balanced and polished look. Let's see how to use the AI Video Enhancer in Filmora 14. First, place your footage onto the timeline. From the Settings panel, click on AI Tools. Scroll down to find the option for the AI Video Enhancer and enable it. To enhance your footage, click Generate and watch as the enhancement process improves your video. You can also remove noise from your video. Right after the AI Video Enhancer, you'll find the Video Denoise option. Enable it. And use the slider to adjust the smoothness level, choosing between weak, normal, and strong. Once you're satisfied with your settings, place the original footage on track 2. Go to the mask option and select a linear mask. Then move the mask in on the preview screen to compare the before and after of the AI Video Enhancer and noise reduction. With the help of an AI Video Enhancer, you can improve video quality instantly without needing any other software. Filmora 14 puts video enhancement right at your fingertips, making it easy to achieve stunning results. And that's how you can take advantage of the AI Video Enhancer feature in Filmora 14 for editing. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial, and if you like this video, please hit the like button, and please be sure to subscribe to my channel. So thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next video.